Hi everyone, so I'm just back with a quick video to show you a little 5-page Grunge Damask kit that I've put together. I'm making a grungy journal and I just fancied having some grungy papers to work with. I have got lots from other people, but I just wanted something different. So anyway, I've put these together if you're interested. It's a £1 budget kit, and then there's that one, like the little bit of green patina in there, that way. Okay, and then I'm going to just talk about something in a minute when I've showed you these. There we go. Okay, so it's 5 little grungy pages if you're interested. If you're a member on my coffee shop, you will get these for free. I was running, obviously there's a member section, and there was a white rose tier that you could join, and there was quite a few people on there, like paying £2 a month. I've done away with the tier for now, and like every monthly member will get a digital, because there was a little bit of confusion. People were thinking just because they were a member that they weren't, like, they were, oh, I don't know how to explain it. It said that they can't access the white tier, but they hadn't signed up for the white tier. Probably a little bit of my mistake as well, and I can only apologise for that. Now my cat wants to go in my box and play. Get out. So yeah, so if that's caused any confusion, and I do apologise. So when I was sitting looking at it tonight, I was like, oh, you know what? I get what somebody had said to me the other day, that they couldn't access it, and I was like, well, other people are, so I think that's because it was the white tier membership that I had. But no, we haven't got that. Okay, we're just back to the £2 a month. If you want to support my channel, there is, you know, no obligation whatsoever to do that. But if you do, then you will now get access to all the members kits, and I've just sat for about an hour sorting all that out, like taking it off of the white tier and putting it just onto like members. So if you're a member and you pay £2 a month, you will have access to these. And like I said, I do apologise to anyone who thought that just, you know, by signing up for the £2 a month that was entitling them to the white tier membership, but it didn't. Anyway, I am going to look for something, like, to do something else as a tier, but it won't be, I don't think I'll do digitals. I think it might just be exclusive. Maybe if I bring out like maybe a specific kit or something, and I might do like an exclusive video. I will see. I'll just think. I'm going to put it on the back burner for now anyway. But anyway, I just wanted to show you these, explain what is going on now, and also if you were on the white tier, you haven't been chucked off or anything like that. It just automatically goes to monthly subscription. Okay, and I would like to thank everybody for that as well. So thank you very much for signing up for that, and you will still get the freebies. Okay, you'll still get the freebies. So yeah, go check that section out. I will put a link below as well, and also I've got 20% off discount for digital kits. That is excluding the £1 budget kits. They're still £1. Okay, they're still £1, but all the other kits 20% off. I will put the code below, which is heatwave26, because we are having a heat wave here in the UK. So yeah, check that out as well. So hope you stay tuned to listen to this, so that I don't have to keep explaining it again. But anyway, there we go. Bye for now.